official supervisor will deliver the message. But then, medyo minalas tayo kasi ang alauna niya ng flight, 12:55, was transferred to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So, hindi siya makakarating. So, welcome po. Nakakataba ng puso to see you all, to see the men and women in the media. Ang kumakatawan sa larangan ng pamamahayag ang print, ang TVs natin, ang sa online din po natin, ang other entities like the Aklan Press Club, represented today by some of our students. So, ang mga students na yan, sa mga old media man, nakikita nila yung sarili nila sa inyo, pero kayo dapat makita niyo rin ang sarili niyo sa kanila. Someday, kayo ang pagkalit. At least makita niyo how we do it today. And of course, yung ating sa akong mga minugit sa broadcasting, dahil pinaka-importante kasi everyday, narinig natin sila sa radio. Salamat din. The COMELEC, particularly in the province of Aklan, always consider the need of the media in disseminating and propagating important news, and more so the impact the media can make in the construction of public belief, in sharpening the attitude and the media's relationship towards social changes. Instrumento talaga tayo eh. The media often called society's watchdog. Aside from its duties to inform the public, the media plays a very important role in safeguarding the transparency of the democratic process and the particularly in the upcoming May 12, 2025 national and local election. We are here today not only to inform the public of the activity, but more so to prepare the public. What kita inform ko din prepare nila natin the public that in terms of security, in terms of credibility, dapat maipakita nato ang condition nato sa ato ng mga pagdulyo. So that is all for now, and thank you for coming. Hopefully it will be a fruitful one. We are expecting for more interaction coming from your end, more questions, the better. But then we might as well grab this opportunity for a voters' education. Precisely, we have an invited guest, my fellow or my colleagues in the commission, mga election officers sa Sandara. So hindi lang roadshow yung among dahil makaroon niya, but also the voters' education, particularly the Fair Election Act at the ato ng mga upcoming activities. So good afternoon, may kanya sa tanan.